you walk with it. Walk the walk with it. Gangsta walk with it. Shake the shake with it. Shake the shake with it. We got a band who dance and it just don't stop. Put your hands in the air and do the chopper rock. It go chop with the rock, 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 do a chop with the rock, 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 rock. Indonesia. Don't tease ya. Ooh, this gonna be a good powder mountain too. Okay, guys, next squeeze at 1,000,000 likes. Y'all heard, lady. Y'all like colorful powder? Let me know so I can invest in some. I'm just playing, y'all. As soon as I get all of this shit in, we gonna squeeze. It's just a joke, guys. Be calm, be calm, be calm. Be calm. Y'all know, do y'all know every time something new come on Clean Top, we take it to hell? Like, we took wintergreen to hell. We took less soil. Less soil was old. I think wintergreen is old too, but you know, this old stuff be popping back up. And we just be taking it to hell every time. I love Shay and Bria, baby. Y'all can't say nothing bad about them. Them is my girls. Ooh, this bag right here smells extra good. Or maybe it's because I just been smelling pot all damn night. And that's what I was about to say. The color powder is good as fuck. Even that new video that Sarah posted with the rainbow bombs, fire. But y'all know how to take something to hell. Do y'all hear me? And when I say hell, I do mean hell. You won't catch me in them sharp boots, y'all burn them out. Wait a minute. I'm screaming. I'm like, wait, you won't catch what? Knuckles, that's not trying to let you get your recycled powder. She said, no, 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 no. Sammy, give us the tote, please. No, 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 no. Baby, I had to climb up Powder Mountain to save my marriage. Okay? You know good and well this ain't enough powder. Knuckles, yes it is. We finna make it enough. The pink pool got laid to rest. 175 cans is in the pool. Okay. Ooh, y'all tapping real good too. Hold on, let me smoke real quick before I mix this. I really need to raw dog it for real, but I'm trying to heal my skin up, so I'm trying to do better. Dang, my vape dead. They welcome over here. We love powder. Hold on. Babe, you on a game? Can you put this on the charger for me? And let it charge for like a couple seconds and then bring it back? Right. I'm jonesing. Please. Help me, please. Help me. Help me. Help me. Remember what you said? Help me. Do it all the way. Be close. Y'all remember what Juicy said? Help me. Okay, y'all, let's mix this. Where the sponge at? Oh my freaking gosh. Oh, y'all, is that Ashley that's pinned? Make sure y'all following Clean Talk Ashley, y'all. She is so sweet. Hi, friend. She is so sweet. She be like, hey, friend. And today when I came in her live, she was like, Sammy, when you doing 15K? And I was like, later. And she was all in like, oh, y'all, we finna wrap this shit up because we finna go to Sammy's house. I love her down. That's my sister on my mama's side. So y'all make sure y'all following my sister. She ran me up like 100 follows, no lie, today, y'all. So make sure y'all supporting Queens support Queens. Her. And let me tell y'all what's tea. When she hit 10K, she coming with some new fire. She coming with some new, some new what's her name. My man, I know my man be so sick of me. Y'all, did y'all hear how I just ran him?
What? Not.
Who let you up? Breathe.
I don't know. Probably on accident. Okay, y'all. They in here trying to bully you for this time.
Nessa, I can't hear you. Oh, okay, you got down. I'm keeping the cans for that thing.
Bree just want to keep dropping me. I'm gonna let her drop me. She's bored because she ain't been in your live in 100 days.
Right. So now she got to come in here and act like mod of the year.
Yeah, girl.
I got it. Noted, sister. Noted.
Noted. I ain't been in here since 1998.
Last time she was here, Bella was a baby.
Wait a minute. Mm-mm. 175 cans. I'm just trying to tell you, they trying to bully you for this tote. They desperate, especially Rizzy. She desperate, baby. She thirsty.
Not even ready yet, y'all. I promise y'all, if the tote was ready, I would give it up. It's a stick of hard rock, give it up. Oops, that money,
chair,
honey.
that was what you need, that chair.
I'm telling you, because the way my back was hurting.
That's all with the extra support.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's keeping the food from being man down. And it's got to get dumped tonight. They was trying to turn it into recycle paddle, but I said, because if I make one more thing of recycle paddle, my man gonna whoop my ass.
Okay. Not I'm gonna name the baby after you. Okay, they don't know how to spell my name. Rissy's, I'm gonna buy her some recycle powder as soon as you open that tote is available, because she been in the chat begging for it bad.
I promise y'all I'm gonna give it up. Just let me get it ready.
Hey, Kelly.
I don't want to give it to y'all in this house. Y'all be going up there and getting pristine powder from Ashley, and then be coming over here and y'all want to get that bullshit. Y'all want to get that back.
Yeah, they need to spell it right. Yeah, we definitely voted for Gabby for the most talkative. She won that category hands down.
I actually voted for myself.
Yeah, she just said she wasn't doing it. She trying to make it soft.
It's just, I'm gonna show y'all. The tote is just not ready.
You is. I said, this baby said, pin me, please, after every comment. I said, girl.
Okay, sorry, y'all. My man had to air it out.
Ashley got y'all spoiled.
My man said it's too dusty.
Almost to a milli. Yeah, between Sammy, V, and Gabby, they long-winded.
Okay, real long. Okay. What did you say?
V always got a story to tell. V always got a story to tell. Sammy either gonna sing, preach, or holler, and Gabby gonna find something. Gabby gonna find something to talk about, and it might not make sense to y'all, but it makes sense to her. And that's just how they do it. Get out of here, please. Back up more time, because you know what?
What?
She said that Mama J yelled the whole time.
She said what?
She said Mama J yelled the whole time.
Bruh.
Oh yeah, I forgot about her. She do talk a lot too.
Okay, Mama J gonna give it up. She gonna serve. Leave that lady alone. Y'all already got me unfollowed.
Now, if they had the most friend category, we know who got that one. Hey, friend. No, Ashley.
Yeah, Ashley, everybody friend.
Maybe she gonna friend you down.
Doing good well, she ain't good people friend.
Oh yeah, Jai would have won too, because Jai would talk about nothing.
She don't count as a clean talker. You want to mix some? Shit.
I wish you could just add water to this right now.
I wish I could too.
Ugh. No, good. Y'all funny.
Okay. They grab my chair, since my hands are so dirty, and put it over there so I can mix the other side. And then you have to turn my phone. So.
No, for real. She about to be here. Somebody probably didn't already sent it to her. No, but I think everybody